Strange noises, okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a little airy in here. That's because there's no furniture in here and I can't find my life piece, but just bear with me today. Anyways, I'm coming to talk about this Amazon must-have if you do photography, videography, or you just like cool, colorful lights, which is behind me right now. I think that is behind me right now. If you just want to like step up your game with either photography or videography, but you don't really have the funds to really get the good equipment, you know what I mean? Like the Nova or anything aperture or the like. This is a great alternative, especially if you're new, especially if you just want to experience and see if it's something that you even want to do, want to use in your videos. Whatever you want to do, I think this is a great product to invest in. I'm gonna screenshot and link the product somewhere in this area and I'll put it in the description box below. But here is the packaging. It comes in this lovely little handle here. Open it up. And here we have our LED wand light, okay? It's really light, it's really simple to use, okay? Very, very, very simple to use. Along with the light wand, you also get this remote. You can turn the light on or off. You can turn the brightness up and down. And you also have an array of colors to select from, which I think is pretty cool. It also comes with this USB charger, so you can charge it up in your computer. You can charge it up on the go if you need to, or if you have any type of block or charging box. I call it a block or a box or a cube. You can charge it up and it does not take long to charge at all. It also comes with this adjustable attachment, and this is pretty much for you to be able to hook it onto the bottom of the wand light, and that way you can shift it up and down if you need to adjust the lighting, you know, how you need to. Here's a look at the wand. Here's the controls on the back. You can turn the brightness on and off, hold this button down, and that's the way you'll get to see it, and also select the different colors. So, and at the bottom here is where you can use it to attach to a tripod, monopod, whatever you may have, and you can also put the adjustable 8-ball right here as well. Alright, so click this button here, boom, there you have light, and right here again is for the brightness. Bring this all the way down, and that's the darkest it, or the dimmest that it gets, and click this button here, and boom, here's the brightest that it gets, which it is really bright, you know. It is really bright. If you're in a completely dark room, super bright. One second. Completely dark room, and it is pretty bright. And along with that, you have about 10 different color selections from pure white, and it kind of goes down from there as you click this button. And now you have an array of different colors. This one is my personal favorite right here. You have up to 10 color selections, with the last color being kind of like police lights. That's the only way I can explain it. But that's the only like strobe lighting that it does have, and it's police lights. Hold on. Trigger warning. And 3, 2, 1. Trigger warning. Anywho, so this is a really cool and fun light to have on shoots, whether it's video or photo. So if you just want to spritz up your normal portrait, you want to get a little out the box, get you one of these. Play with the colors and just have fun with it. If you want cool lighting effects, I say invest in this wand light. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video, but please stay tuned. I have lots of examples coming at the end of this video, just so you can see how cool this light is. Alright, see you in my next one.